dumbass.
Literally spent $1,200 on GoPro.
You buy another one?
It's too good not to have. Otherwise you don't film. I'm bothering about a fucking torch stick, you know, that thing's out there. Way to come and turn it.
To the beach. Run back around. Leave him out there. Fucking sleepy little shory. A few more. Off to work, fix the dings. Yay. Go. Surf done. Now it's time to go fix some dings. Whee! worked, we've surfed, we've worked. We've answered the fucking phone a million times today, which is good. Lots of inquiries. Much appreciated. Now we're on the way home for some dinner. Plenty going on today. We had boards getting finished, boards getting started. Plenty of boards finished off actually. I think we ended up finishing about 6. Anything from multiple dings, fucking Eddie's board with 10,000 dings because he's a ding collector for some unknown reason. Then also we had creases. We finished off at creases. We started as well actually. Fin plugs finished, FCS2 plugs, and a couple of epoxy ones we've got prepped for paint tomorrow. Sprayed what was it? Sprayed some filler putty on them, get those tiny little pinholes, and then we'll spray them tomorrow. Hopefully come up looking good. If not, try again I suppose. And yeah, that's us for today. One of the standouts for today, one of the repairs was a poor Grom's Pizel. I think he slipped on the rocks at Burley. Unfortunately, he didn't get hurt, that's the main thing, but he did do a pretty good job of fucking his board right up. Lucky we can fix it for him. Not lucky for his dad's bank account, but a lot of work, a lot of time, a lot of effort goes into it, so we had to charge him properly. We're pretty fair when it comes to rock damage when you lose your rocks on the board. When you lose your board on the rocks, whether your leggy snaps or you slip over, whichever one it is, we definitely discount the other dings. We don't just charge you full price for every ding, but it's one of those things, there's a shitload of work involved. There's only so much we can do, but we try our best. You just definitely got to remember, you want to be, wherever you're surfing, you always got to be careful jumping off the rocks, or whether there's rocks under the water or reef or whatever. You kind of do have to be cautious at all times of where everything is. You can't just go fucking ploughing down rocks or ploughing over the falls if you're surfing a reef break. You do have to be careful. Sometimes you can avoid dings, sometimes you're going to get them, but it's one of those things, just be careful. We have had a fair few people coming in lately that have actually got pretty messed up, cuts and all sorts. Bruised legs, cut ankles, cut feet. Sometimes knees and elbows, I hear a few of those stories. But injuries, just be cautious. My main one is, as well as rocks, avoiding kooks. I've heard a heap of stories lately. This is for a rant for another time, but there's been heaps of stories lately of people getting run over or people getting run into. I've seen some bad injuries. So if you are out there and you're not as experienced, please be careful. You're more than welcome to surf, just stay the fuck out of the way. Because it is a little bit dangerous when you think about it. You're on a bit of fiberglass, You're on a fiberglass spear, basically, if you're riding a board with a point on it. If you're riding a longboard, you're basically on a fiberglass fucking tank. So, know your limits, please be careful. And at the end of the day, we're probably going to end up fixing a couple of your boards, and we'll do our best. In saying that, one thing I have noticed with our shop is when I mentioned the learners and staying out of the way, picking the right board, etc. We have had a lot of people come in lately and ask for advice where to surf, which is really quite impressive and good, I suppose, because I mean, surfers call each other kooks, maybe joking around and stuff, and I say it too, but well, I mean, you're a learner, you're a kook, same. It's good that they notice that and they want to do the right thing, they want to stay out of the way, which is pretty impressive, especially for the Gold Coast, because there's a lot of people. So that's going to make the waves or the break, wherever you're surfing, a bit safer, which I am pretty happy about. So, yeah, we surfed, we fixed a bunch, prepped a bunch for tomorrow, ready for deliveries tomorrow, and then get started for whichever ones are due next week. Do it all again. Everything went pretty smoothly. We didn't really have any hiccups today. Every now and then you'll have a hiccup. You'll have a sand through, or you'll miss a fucking ding, and then you're gonna start it again, and it can get pretty tedious. Sometimes it can turn into a disaster. But yeah, in saying that, I think we cleaned all them ones up yesterday, but today, none, which is good. All right, we'll try and get some waves in the morning again, and then we'll into work. See if we can get another video going for you guys. See ya.